Hi guys, we are almost ready to start rigging now. I am going to hide all the props for now. We will deal with them later. It's very important to double check if the character is placed exactly on the ground. If it's not, then adjust it in the front view. Place the model right on the ground. That looks perfect now. Let's add a new layer in which we will put all the rigging related elements. I have named the layer Mascot Rig. In the Create panel, I go to the Helpers tab, where in the drop-down I can find the cat objects. I am directly picking the cat parent object, as we already have discussed the utility in the beginning. So I place the main parent object in the middle of the scene. Make sure it is on the 0 axis to match our mesh pivot point.